Namaswa, KTN News.
On to COVID-19 matters here in Kenya, where 7 people have died from coronavirus disease in the last 24 hours, raising Kenya's death toll to 720. Out of Kenya's new infections today, is a 2-month-old infant reported to have been infected. This comes as a global race to a COVID-19 vaccine is still on to reduce the severity and the spread of the virus. The Standard Group's Health and Science reporter Beldeen Waliaula gives us the latest in the search for a COVID-19 vaccine.
With nearly 1 million deaths reported worldwide from COVID-19, SARS-CoV-2 still has the world on edge. Kenya today recorded 184 new COVID-19 infections, bringing the total number of positive cases in the country to 38,713. 115 people recovered, bringing the total recoveries to 25,023. Researchers are of the opinion that life will resume to normal mid-next year after coronavirus vaccine is available. The vaccine mimics the virus or part of the virus they're protecting against, stimulating the immune system to produce antibodies. The antibodies in turn neutralizes the virus, rendering it ineffective. So far, no vaccine out of the more than 170 candidates has been approved for mass use, although some are showing promise. 142 vaccine candidates are in the preclinical stage of testing, where it is tested on animals to see if it triggers any immune response. The 35 vaccines in phase 1 of clinical trials are given to a small group of people to determine how it responds and whether it is safe. In phase 2, there are 19 vaccines so far. Here, the vaccines are given to hundreds of people so that scientists can learn more about safety and possible dosage. In phase 3, there are 11 vaccines that have been given to thousands of people to confirm its safety, including rare side effects and its effectiveness. For the Oxford or AstraZeneca vaccine in phase 3, 400 health workers in Kenya are being targeted to participate in these clinical trials through WHO's COVID-19 vaccine access, commonly referred to as COVAX.
Minister Boris Johnson chaired a conference with the UN, the World Health Organization and South Africa's health minister to focus very much on the next stage of COVID vaccine called COVAX, which is about how do you ensure that there is equitable access to a vaccine, that it doesn't just end up in the hands of those who can afford it, but it ends up in the hands of those who need it across the world.
One other vaccine in progress is Moderna from the United States of America. It's expected to be ready by November. Beldeen Waliaula, KTN News.